If you like simple and easy when it comes to your makeup, then this is the tutorial for you because ain't nobody got time. Keep on watching. Hello there, what's good? My name is Daniela, aka D. I make videos about being your best self and living your best life. New videos every week. In this video, I'll be showing you my minimal everyday makeup look. As per usual, I start off with a clean face. Always cleanse and prep your skin with your moisturizer and your SPF if you're going outside in the sun before you start doing your makeup. And don't forget to moisturize your lips as well. When I say this look is simple, I mean it. I only use a handful of products. Now, disclaimer, I am not a makeup artist or an expert. This is just what I do and I like it. Let's get started. I think it's a good idea to apply a primer. Normally I don't do this because lazy, but for this video I'll add that in. Let me know what your favorite primer is in the comments below. Next, the brows. I love brows. My brows are naturally thin and a bit sparse, but thank God for brow pencil. My brows take the longest time to do. I'm not gonna lie, I did not like how they looked in the beginning of the video, so I went back in and I tweaked them a little bit more to my liking, which you will see at the end of the video. After the pencil, I go in with a brow gel to keep my brows in place and neat. The gel also helps to keep my brows looking natural, and that's what I like. I then go in with my concealer under my eyes mainly. If I have a blemish I'd like to cover, I do that too, but I'm more concerned about covering my dark under eyes. Also, I like to use concealer on my upper lip. It helps to cover the pigmentation there. I use setting spray on my sponge. That helps to blend the product in as well. And this is a trick I learned from my girl Priscilla when we were doing our Get Ready With Us video. This concealer is close to my skin tone, but yet it helps to brighten up the area. I look more awake and like I actually get 8 hours of sleep every night. Sometimes I apply 2 coats. Make sure to blend out any harsh lines. Setting spray helps to melt everything and makes blending easier. I would recommend to set the concealer as well if you'd like. Just adding a little bit of blush. I've had this one for some time now. It's a lip and cheek stick. I love multi-purpose products. It's like 2 for the price of 1. This step is optional for me because I usually cannot be bothered, but for the video, you know? Moving on to my favorite thing, highlighter. Especially this one by Spark Cosmetics. The glow is ever real. When I wear this highlighter, it's like I have come to illuminate your life, my child. I use a fan brush to apply it to some of the points where the light would naturally hit my face. I use my finger to blend it in a little bit more because I can be quite heavy-handed with the product. Also on my cupid's bow and on the tip of my nose, but I didn't do that in this video. I use a tinted lip balm like this one from Labello on my lips because I can't be walking around with crusty lips. Mascara is also optional for me. I thought I'd use it in the video because I applied the concealer to my upper eyelids, so I wanted to bring back some life to the lashes. So there you have it, a lazy girl, minimal everyday makeup look. It's natural and easy to achieve. The links for the products that I could find online are in the description box below. You can use whatever you have or whatever you like to get the look. You don't need to go out and buy anything new or expensive, but if you are in the market for a good concealer, I would recommend Fenty Beauty, and for a highlighter, of course, I would recommend Spark Cosmetics. What is your everyday makeup look? Please leave it in the comments below and we can have a chat. Please like and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe. Hit that notification bell so that you are alerted when I post a new video. Thanks for watching, and remember, you are loved and you're blessed. Bye.